Have you ever wondered why intermittent fasting has taken the health world by storm? Millions swear by it, claiming it helps with weight loss, energy, and longevity. But is it really that effective or just another diet trend? Today, we're uncovering the science behind intermittent fasting, its benefits, risks, and whether it could work for you. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet, it's an eating pattern. Instead of focusing on what you eat, it focuses on when you eat. This practice dates back thousands of years, rooted in ancient human survival when food wasn't always available. Modern science has now started to examine its potential benefits and drawbacks. When you fast, your body undergoes several changes. Insulin levels drop, fat burning increases, and cellular repair processes kick in. This is called autophagy, a process that removes damaged cells and regenerates new ones. It's like your body hitting the refresh button. Intermittent fasting has multiple formats. 16-8 method, fast 16 hours, eat within 8 hours. 5-2 diet, eat normally 5 days, limit calories 2 days. Alternate day fasting, fast every other day. OMAD, one meal a day. Each has unique pros and challenges, and the best one depends on your lifestyle and goals. Many turn to intermittent fasting for weight loss. Studies show that fasting can help reduce body fat, especially around the belly. But it's not magic. Weight loss still depends on your overall calories, activity, and consistency. The difference is that fasting can make it easier to control calorie intake without feeling deprived. Research in animals suggests that intermittent fasting can extend lifespan and improve health markers like inflammation and blood sugar control. Humans are showing promising signs too, with improved insulin sensitivity and reduced risk factors for diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Fasting isn't for everyone. Some may experience fatigue, irritability, or headaches. People with diabetes, low blood pressure, or a history of eating disorders should consult a doctor before starting. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid fasting. Many worry about losing muscle. The truth, short-term fasting combined with resistance training usually preserves muscle. Protein intake during eating windows is key. Fasting doesn't automatically lead to muscle loss. It depends on your exercise and nutrition. Fasting may improve focus, clarity, and mental performance. This is due to ketone production, a fuel for the brain when glucose is low. Many report increased alertness and productivity during fasting periods. Initially, hunger can be challenging, but after a few days your body adapts. Drinking water, herbal tea, or black coffee can help suppress appetite. Many find they feel lighter and more energetic once their body adjusts. Fasting influences key hormones like insulin, ghrelin, hunger hormone, and growth hormone. This hormonal shift promotes fat burning, appetite regulation, and muscle preservation. Essentially, fasting resets your metabolic environment. Timing matters. Eating too late can disrupt sleep. Most experts recommend ending your eating window at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Proper sleep improves fasting results and overall health. Meet Sarah, who struggled with weight and fatigue. After starting the 16-8 method, she lost 15 pounds in 3 months, gained energy, and improved her blood sugar. Stories like hers are inspiring, but remember, results vary individually. Multiple studies have examined intermittent fasting. A 2015 review in the New England Journal of Medicine found it effective for weight loss, insulin sensitivity, and metabolic health. Other studies show reduced inflammation and improved longevity markers. Intermittent fasting can work, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Benefits include weight loss, improved metabolism, mental clarity, and longevity. Risks exist, especially for certain populations. The key is finding a pattern that suits your lifestyle and sticking with it consistently. Start gradually. Try 12-12 or 14-10 fasting first. Drink water, eat nutrient-dense foods, and monitor how you feel. Listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional if needed. Experts agree consistency is more important than perfection. Pair fasting with a balanced diet, exercise, and good sleep for best results. Fasting does not. Burn muscle automatically requires starvation. Work overnight without lifestyle changes. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Share your intermittent fasting journey in the comments. We'd love to hear your story. Remember, intermittent fasting is a tool, not a miracle. Use it wisely, listen to your body, and stay consistent. Your journey to better health is unique. Embrace it.